The costs of digital forms of money are driven by many elements, including media publicity, reception rate, lawful, criminal operations, and organic market. This multitude of variables make leading a specialist examination of digital money significant in the present market. Brise is another task in the cryptographic money world that has acquired prominence due to turning into a top player in the industry potential. In this article, you'll learn everything about the leap forward of the year. We'll cover the bitgert task subtleties, track down the solutions to the most famous inquiries, and notice some Brise cost forecasts. What is bitgert Brise? This year, bitgert is among the most intriguing digital currency projects. Bitgert is based on the Binance blockchain. It publicizes itself as a marking stage in a decentralized trade. In spring 2022, the Brise wallet was coordinated into the bitgert chain, empowering clients to send, get, purchase, and sell 20 Cruzado tokens. The Brise crypto is the local badge of bitgert. The token was sent off on July 6, 2021, close by the task's true site. Bitgert sent off its hotly anticipated blockchain in February 2022. The block season of Brise chain, a proof of authority agreement framework, is 15 seconds. POA blockchains are believed to be truly versatile, yet it doesn't reduce analysis over them for being profoundly incorporated. The bitgert network was promoted as the first blockchain convention with zero exchange expenses. However, it has not completely followed through on its commitments, causing discussions in the crypto space. Since the day of its send-off, there have been numerous de-app discharges on bitgert convention, from non-fungible token commercial centers to decentralized finance conventions. The bitgert environment truly extended in the main year of its presence, and it's supposed to give no indications of pausing and go on with its development henceforward. There are various unanswered inquiries regarding the bitgert project. For example, who makes up its staff, how dependable its blockchain is, and the way in which it utilizes publicizing. Bitgert's standing is discolored on the web due to the absence of great first individual data. The undertaking is encircled by a ton of hypotheses and reports. This is the main photograph of the task group that was distributed authoritatively. Its appearance led to an enormous number of bits of gossip. The crypto local area focused on the dubious similitude of this picture with the consequences of man-made intelligence-based photograph generators. That multitude of conversations prompted the expulsion of the photograph from the authority site. The administration credited this to a craving to save privacy. The problematic showcasing techniques utilized by the venture group are dubious too. Thus, a few sites were seen participating in the forceful advancement of the coin. They composed a lot of articles about bitgert, referencing the task just in a positive way, as well as putting the youthful venture on a standard with currently fruitful, and demonstrated cryptographic forms of money like ADA, spell, and so on. Is Brise a wise speculation? Does bitgert have a future? A few examiners are certain about the outcome of the Brise token. Truth be told, some of them even foresee bitgert's 200% typical cost increment toward the finish of 2022. In any case, once more, we should bear in mind here the conceivable association between the creators of the logical report and the task's makers. We ought to likewise not disregard the tricky regions that we have proactively referenced previously. Financial backers need to painstakingly gauge these variables prior to choosing whether to put resources into the Brise stock. There's no simple response, and there's no assurance that Brise will be an effective interest over the long haul. However, for financial backers who will face some gamble, challenges might offer a valuable chance to benefit in the event that the organization can make something happen from here on out. The venture's self-announced flowing inventory is 427,350. 68 BBRISE. What is bitgert crypto? Brise is a 20 Cruzado symbolic that sudden spikes in demand for the Binance blockchain. Where is bitgert recorded? You can track down Brise on MEXC, KuCoin, XTCOM, Gate.io, and Bitmart. In August 2022, the task's administration openly communicated its ability and preparation to help out Binance through Twitter. The exchange's cycle has proactively begun. And to commend this key achievement, bitgert has swore to offer $5 million worth of Brise to the Binance People Group in the event of having it recorded on Binance. Bitgert value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of bitgert is $0, and Brise is buy and buy position no. 221 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of bitgert is 395-688-215-721-653 Brise, with a market cap of $191,717,312.91. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by $0 its ongoing worth. Bitgert is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. Brise has fallen by practically 3.48% over the most recent 7-day. With worries about the related dangers heightening in the beyond couple of days, we don't figure the coin would be a productive resource temporarily, despite the fact that it could major areas of strength for half. Inside the last month, the cost of Brise has diminished by 15.67%, killing an incredible normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it very well may be a decent purchasing, a valuable open door for fast venture. Bitgert Value Expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Bitgert costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Bitgert will be $0. The most extreme level that the Brise cost can reach is $0. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0. Brise value gauge for November 2022. In view of the value variances of Bitgert toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Brise pace of $0 November 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0 separately. December 2022, Bitgert value conjecture. Digital money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Brise cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0, while the greatest could reach $0 this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Bitgert may be around $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Bitgert in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Bitgert will be around $0. The most extreme expected Brise cost might be around $0. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0 2023. Bitgert Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Bitgert, in 2024, Brise is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $0 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0. Bitgert Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Bitgert and their changes during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base Brise cost could drop to $0, while its most extreme can reach $0. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Bitgert by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least Brise costs are normal in 2026, $0. By and large, it will be exchanged at $0. Bitgert Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of Bitgert. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical Brise cost will be around $0. It could drop to at least $0. However, it actually could reach $0 through 2027. Bitgert Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Bitgert. It is assessed that Brise will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $0 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $0 the year.